My projects are, 200 to 1,000 square feet, most of them. And we had one 3,000 square foot project. But you look at a building that's 8,000, 10,000 square feet with your property with multiple buildings on it. What's that like? How do you make all those plans? How do you bring those people together and those businesses and find an opportunity for these buildings that cost more and they're larger? And that was foreign to me. So being able to collaborate and figure out, okay, this is what development is. This is looking at a property and figuring out the best use of this asset. And it's maybe not just one business, maybe it's three business. And it was just like all the creativity unlocked in my brain. I was like, oh, it was when we started remodeling and you're looking at a house and you realize that if you move the wall 5 feet to the left, that you can create this awesome grand space. It was just like that, only it was looking at a couple acre parcel. And it was, thinking about that completely differently than I ever had before. That building doesn't have to be a restaurant. That can be a sauna facility. And there can be residential over there and, retail space is down below, and it'll be so awesome now that we've thought about, strategically how to use this. And then I was hooked. I'm like, yeah, I'm a local real estate developer. Why wouldn't I be? This is the coolest thing that I could do with my time. And here we are.